We can choose to feel disturbed by our surroundings, or we can choose to be the change that we want to see. And we can also decide we don't have enough time to make a difference, or we can say 5 minutes matters, or in this case, 15 minutes matters. While I'm usually decluttering my house, today I'm decluttering a little differently. Won't you join me? I'm in downtown Lancaster. I'll have to ask Lisa if I said that right. And it's a little bit noisy because of traffic and some construction work that's going across the street. But my family and I have been staying in an Airbnb, and it was beautiful and gorgeous and like a creative oasis inside. I'll have to share some of that with you. But the outside doesn't quite match it. I think that somebody must have not been able to come out and weed. So I'm gonna spend about 15 minutes just kind of manic weed pulling to feel better about life, and also to leave things better than I found them before. So let's go see what it looks like. They have it nicely clad with this interesting wood stuff. But this is the state of the curb. It's actually a little bit scary. I'm not gonna get very far in 15 minutes, but I'm gonna do my best. So let's see how it goes. But first of all, I noticed some wood thing, so I'm going to try to kick it back in place. Hopefully I won't hurt it. So I think I can make that go. A little bit better. There we go. Looks better. All right, so I don't have any gardening gloves, so I'm just gonna be using plastic bags and go for it. Must have put this in when the sun will rise. Must have put that in when they renovated. Okay, I got about 7 more minutes and then I gotta run. Well, that's the result. 15 minutes later. Too bad I don't have a broom. I don't know, wish I could do more, but I can't. Gotta go. Weeding, decluttering, and redecorating, gardening, those are my favorite things to just de-stress and make the world around me a more beautiful place. Won't you write in the comments below what your favorite forms of de-stressing are? And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe below if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is up. I try to post a new video every weekend, and I look forward to sharing more ways of reducing overwhelm to live more intentionally and creatively. What do you think?
Keep going.